Good morning. It is June 25th, 2012, and we're in the vacation house.
Go video them.
And I'm finna, this ain't hell, man. and
Fine,
and Bobby downstairs. Now I'm going to show y'all these fools. They is swimming in the rain at this house. I'm going downstairs. Kind of crazy. But wait, look at them fools out there in the rain, but they wanted to go swimming. I should lock y'all ass outside in the rain. Now y'all cold. Now y'all cold.
Hurry up. That baby out that rain.
Look at them. Oh, poor babies.
Y'all better not get me with it. They right here on that top.
Look at them.
Hey, y'all get up and get dressed. Tell them that
Y'all have. Look at them. They all wet. Do you see them? We got Uncle Melvin over there cooking, Miss Rita over there helping them. We have a big old breakfast, boy. And I'm signing out right now.